This is the Ticktalk watch, and this thing is awesome.
Amazing.
It's her first smartwatch, and really wasn't something I was planning to give my 7-year-old, but this one, I love it. So they can choose what they want to put on the cover. They can take photos.
So like you can call if you're like lost and stuff, or like text, take pictures.
And who can you call and who can you text?
I can call mom and dad, and you can text your mom and dad, but I can only text my mom because my mom has the app. You need an app to like call and text on this.
Exactly. So that's what I really like about this, is that it's closed communication, at least the way we've set this up with her. The app, whoever has the app is the only people that can contact her. So we'll send messages back and forth with each other, and it's pretty cute. We have a really cute chat going on.
I'm good. How are you?
So you can send audio messages back and forth, and it's really easy to do that. You just hold down the little microphone, or you can text it. You also can send greeting cards, which is kind of fun to get. So
And you can also, like, for texting, you can take like pictures and stuff to like.
And you can FaceTime as well. But again, closed circuit. So no strangers can contact her. She can't contact strangers either. We have set it so that she can't make an emergency call by accident. And there's no games on it. There's no internet on it, which I love as a parent. I don't want her using it for that. So really it's good for me to be able to be in contact with her and to have that GPS so that I know where she is. It also does come programmed with kid-friendly music, like a streaming radio station, but you do have to have Wi-Fi for that. And as a parent, you can set the amount of time that they can use it. So I have it set where she can have 15 minutes a day with that kid-friendly music streaming station. And you could set it for longer if you wanted.
I want it for any time I want.
Oh, is that right? Okay. You want to do a call on it? So I'm going to FaceTime her right now.
Hi.
So you can see that the clarity is pretty good, and that's all off her watch. I'm impressed by this. The monthly subscription is not very expensive either. You add it to your phone plan. So I think we're gonna keep it. I think we're gonna keep doing it.
Yeah.
We're impressed by it, and if you've been looking for a watch for your child and you're just not sure, you don't want them to have games or access to the internet, this one's a really good one.
I'm gonna charge it because it's low battery, and this is how you charge it. And then I love this watch, and I think you would love it too. Also, make sure to subscribe.